Picture this: the azure waters of the Mediterranean, the scent of olives and herbs in the air, and a table laden with vibrant, flavorful dishes. This is the essence of the Mediterranean diet, a journey to wellness that transcends mere nutrition. Originating from the diverse cultures that dot the Mediterranean Sea, this diet isn't just about what you eat, it's a way of life. It's about embracing the time-honored traditions of savoring meals with loved ones, prioritizing fresh, seasonal ingredients, and finding joy in the simple pleasures of food. What sets the Mediterranean diet apart is its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods rich in nutrients and antioxidants. From heart-healthy olive oil to omega-3 rich fish and fiber-packed legumes, every ingredient plays a role in promoting longevity and vitality. One of the keys to mastering the Mediterranean diet is embracing the flavors of the region. Think tangy tomatoes, fragrant garlic, and aromatic herbs like basil and oregano. These ingredients not only add depth to dishes but also offer a myriad of health benefits. Studies have shown that following the Mediterranean diet may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Its emphasis on healthy fats, lean proteins, and abundant fruits and vegetables provides a well-rounded approach to nutrition that nourishes both body and soul. When adopting the Mediterranean diet, focus on variety and balance. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, swap out processed snacks for nuts and seeds, and experiment with new herbs and spices to add flavor without excess salt. Whether you're whipping up a classic Greek salad, indulging in a Spanish seafood paella, or savoring a simple plate of hummus and whole-grain pita, each bite brings you one step closer to embracing the Mediterranean way of life. So, join us on this journey to wellness as we uncover the timeless wisdom and irresistible flavors of the Mediterranean diet. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, it's about savoring each moment and nourishing your body from the inside out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and inspiration on your Mediterranean adventure. Until next time, bon appetit and be well.